Hello guys, let's eat. This is purple corn. It's different purple corn. This is the first time you've seen it. It's delicious. Let's eat. Still hot. Today it's Tuesday and it's already 7 o'clock and this is our dinner. I'll just boil it. Boiled corn. Nothing on it. No butter. Just pure corn. It's organic. Delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Yummy.